Hello. Going to go see Balboa's Christmas night lights or something like that. It's something, there's an official name for it, but I kind of forgot. We're at the Massachusetts Avenue trolley stop, and it's only 29 minutes from here to get there. We decided to do it this way because we don't want to deal with the traffic, don't want to deal with the parking situation. Trolley is just the best. We've done that for a few events now, and it's been honestly pretty smart. But now we're gonna go pay for a ticket and then wait for the trolley to come. It says the next one comes in 7 minutes. So really excited to see the lights, and we're actually getting there at a perfect time because the sun's gonna set very soon.
We could run that in 10 minutes.
I'm not running that. We're waiting for our shuttle to go to December 9th. Go ahead, just try it. You took one of mine. Should I take one of yours?
That's perfect.
Is it good?
It's really chocolatey.
hot, huh?
It's really hot.
That is super chocolatey. But it's hot.
It's hot. It's like hard to drink.
Hello. 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 We found what?
Pupusas.
Pupus.
Pupusis.
What's yours?
Good.
No, what's your flavor?
Good. Chicharrones.
Chicharrón con queso. And I got frijoles con queso. It wasn't even that good, huh?
It was alright.
You ate that down.
Good.
Rosales. Really good pupusas. Chicharrón con queso is the best one.